Look no further if you've been wanting to ride a mountain bike with an electric motor. The best way for converting an ordinary mountain bike into a potent electric bike is within a bike conversion kit. We'll talk about the top bike conversion kits for mountain bikes in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Bafang BBS02 Ebike Conversion Kit. The Bafang Ebike Conversion Kit is one of the most well-liked solutions for people wishing to turn their mountain bike into an electric bike. For all of your off-road activities, this kit's 750-watt motor and 48-volt battery will provide more than enough power and range. Furthermore, very adaptable, the Bafang kit may be used with a variety of mountain bike frames and wheel sizes. Many consumers report successful installs in just a few hours, and installation is comparatively simple. The Bafang BBS02 kit's changeable settings, which let you customize your electric bike's performance, are one of its main features. The Bafang kit enables you to personalize your ride to your liking, enabling you to change the pedal assist levels and set a top speed limit. All things considered, the Bafang Ebike Conversion Kit is a good option for anyone wishing to give their mountain bike some serious power. Every time you hit the trails with this kit, you can count on it to deliver a pleasant ride thanks to its reliable operation and adjustable settings. On number 2, we have Ebikling Waterproof E-Bike Conversion Kit. The Ebikling Waterproof E-Bike Conversion Kit is the ideal option for you if you're searching for a durable and weather-resistant e-bike conversion kit for your mountain bike. This conversion kit, which features a strong 1200-watt motor, makes it simple to transform your mountain bike into an e-bike with a top speed of up to 20 miles per hour. With this waterproof and dustproof build, this gear will endure even the worst weather, allowing you to confidently tackle the trails no matter the weather. The Ebikling Waterproof E-Bike Conversion Kit's adaptable installation is one of its standout qualities. You are able to quickly transform your dependable mountain bike into an electric powerhouse by installing it on the majority of mountain bike brands and sizes. The package also contains a number of extra parts that simplify the process of converting your bicycle to an e-bike. Brake levers, pedal assist sensors, an entire LCD display and throttle system, a sturdy 26 rear wheel with stainless steel spokes, and an aluminum alloy rim are all included in the package. You can travel up to 45 kilometers on a single charge with the Ebikling Waterproof E-Bike Conversion Kit's strong 48V battery. Additionally, a smart charger is included so you can quickly and simply recharge your battery as needed. On number 3, we have Harbin Star Ebike Conversion Kit. The Harbin Star Ebike Conversion Kit is definitely something to think about if you're looking for a high-quality and dependable e-bike conversion kit for your mountain bike. This conversion kit's strong 2000-watt motor offers an astounding amount of power, allowing you to easily navigate rocky terrain and steep hills. The user-friendly design of the Harbin Star Conversion Kit is one of its most notable qualities. The installation process is quick and simple thanks to the kit's inclusion of all necessary parts and equipment. Additionally, the battery is removable, making it simple and convenient to charge it wherever you are. The Harbin Star E-Bike Conversion Kit has a number of safety features in addition to its remarkable performance and simple installation. These include a sophisticated controller that manages power output to avoid overheating and a safety switch that stops the motor from accidentally turning on. All things considered, the Harbin Star E-Bike Conversion Kit is a fantastic option for anyone wishing to give their mountain bike some serious power. This conversion kit is sure to impress, whether you're an experienced mountain biker looking to conquer difficult terrain or simply searching for a reliable and efficient way to get around town. So these are some of the best e-bike conversion kits to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.